Go ahead. Chase, put them in your basket and keep looking.
I'm gonna help Chase, and I'm gonna find the funny one for Chase if he wants it.
Okay, that's nice of you. Chase,
What?
go keep looking for eggs.
They're in the tire swing. They're both in the tire swing.
Oh, cool. Chase.
Chase, you gotta put them in your basket first.
$1.
Cool.
I got that. I got that.
I'm gonna get all these eggs.
Oh, Chase, Daddy's gonna get the eggs.
No!
Go get your basket and put them in there.
Your bag first.
Put them in your bag, then you eat them.
No! I was trying to get some marshmallows.
Here, Chase.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Here, put them all in here.
Put them in there,
Yeah,
guys.
put them all in, and then you check to see what you got.
I got this.
Good job, Chase. Keep going. Put it in your basket.
Oh! Yummy. Oh, Mama!
Cool. Yum. Hey, keep finding them. Chase, I see more. I see more eggs. Put it in your basket and go. Keep going.
Brody's gonna get them all.
No!
Chase, keep going. Put it in your basket and get the pink one. Aw, thanks, Brody.
You're welcome. I think I found one.
There's one person's doing the hunt.
I found two in the gate.
Cool.
They were hiding.
Oh, cool.
Secret. Oh, see. What's in there?
Chase, put it in your basket and let's go. Chase, put it in your basket.
Look what I got.
Keep going, Chase.
Yeah. I got these.
Keep finding them, Chase.
That's sour.
Did you go wrong? Brody, keep looking for eggs. Chase, keep looking for eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in your basket, Chase. Keep going.
Here. Move. Here. Move.
How many do you have?
This.
Count them.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Are we all done?
No.
Should Daddy go get the rest?
No, I'm going to try to get all the
Chase, I see some up on the slide. Up there. Up there.
What? Why are you going up here?
Oh, that's so nice. What do you say, Chase? Gonna go down the slide?
Lots of them might fall off if we go down the slide.
Just hold the basket. You'll be okay.
I put in my bag. I broke down. Oh, nothing. I see. Oh, that was. Hey guys, look how many eggs I got.
Oh. Chase, are you okay?
No.
Chase, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Did we find all the eggs? Did we find them all? Chase, can you smile?